In English, we might say, our country is huge. Well, in ASL, we can go like this. Okay, let's talk about how to sign our country huge. Here is the sign for our. All right, we're going to use that flat hand shape. We're going to start on this side. I'm right-handed. I'll start on the right side and go over here. Our. If you're lefty, same hand shape, just start on your left side. Our. I'm right-handed. I'll go like this. Country. Here's the sign for country. Okay, we're going to use both hands. I'm right-handed, non-dominant hand. Going to make that flat hand shape here. Put our arm across our body. Okay, with your dominant hand, my right hand for me, going to make the Y hand shape. Going to use the inside part of that Y, put it down on my elbow, and make 2 circles. Country. Country. From the side. Other side. From the front again. Okay. Now, if you mean country, as in like we live out in the country, but we're still in, the same regional area country, right? But we live out in the country, we don't live in the city. Use a flat hand when you go down there. Country. Country. If you mean the country as in like the sovereign nation of whatever, use the Y hand shape. Country. Country. All right, so in this context, we're talking about the sovereign nation, Canada, United States, Great Britain, France, whatever. So we use the Y, and we're going to go like this. Okay. Here's the sign for huge. Okay, the hand shapes. First do L's, both hands. Now we're going to curve the tips of the index fingers down just a little bit. So we have these hand shapes. Now we're going to put them down here. So the tips of the index fingers are pointing at each other. We'll start in, and then we're going to go out, kind of explode, and at the same time go cha. This facial expression. Cha, cha. Right? If you just want to do large, you could go like this. If you want to do gigantic, huge, enormous, then you really embellish. Cha, cha. From the side. Other side. All right, and if you're thinking about what facial expression it is, it's like you're saying C-H-A, cha, 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 cha. Huge. Okay. All right, we have all the signs. Sign with me. Let's do it nice and slow, step by step. Our country huge. Okay, let's change the pronoun. How about we do their country huge? All right, and of course we could switch out country with other nouns, like maybe car or house, or why don't we do house, okay? House, there's house. So we'll do our house. Huge! We live in a mansion and it's huge. All right, let's sign this one more time. Our country huge. Here we go. Okay, in this lesson we talked about how to sign our country huge.